How can you make money on Exness without trading? Hello there, welcome to this tutorial, and I will be showing you how you can make money on Exness without trading. As you can see here, if you just invest your money, you can have a very great return, and that is what I am going to teach you in this tutorial. So if you do not have an account or you are new to this platform, then I have a link in the description. You will click after watching this video so that you do it faster, and you land here, then register. And after registering, this is your dashboard. Now, before you even deposit your money, you will need to open an account here, but I will explain this later. So I need first to show you where you can see what I'm going to talk today. Now, to see what I'm going to talk about today, you just scroll down, and then after scrolling down, you will see copy trading. Open it, and then here you will see how you can just invest your money and you will have a great return. So these are traders who are trading, and then you can just choose one trader and copy his or her strategy if that trader is making a lot of profit. So you want to be choosing the best traders here who will have a great return to your investment, that is ROI, return on investment. So when you scroll down here, you will see that we have strategies. Here we have strategies, and then here we have the fee they are charging. Here we have the return in 3 months. So I want to choose one trader and then show you what I'm talking about. Let us start with this one who I viewed last time. So this is a return in 3 months. He has made this return on 3 months. If you want to see it, you just open here, and then you will see how he have been doing. So you can see he made a small profit, some losses here as you can see, and then you can change to 1 day and see. You can see here he made a loss, a profit, all that, and then you can go to 1 year and see how he has been doing. Also you can do 1 year all time. I see he started on November of 6, 2024. So you can view all this information, and here we have a performance fee which this trader is charging. So this performance fee, I want to explain it so that you understand it. So here I have created a document that will help you understand what these things are. So in this Exness website, here you will see where we have a tab with equity. So equity is just a balance that is changing with how the trades are performing, and I have explained it here. So for example, if you have a balance of $1,000 and you have a trade that has a profit of $30, so your equity will be $30. So you can see here the equity of this trader is changing with the time because of withdrawals, because of these trades that are changing with time. Also you can change it to 1 month so that you can see what he is doing. So here we have one deposit. You can view all this information here. And then equity is different from margin. So margin is that balance that you are required so that you place a certain amount of trade. So if you need to trade a position that requires $100, then the margin required is $100. And then we have the free margin. This is the balance that is left when you have opened a certain trade. So this is the margin that you can use to place another trades. So if you open a trade worth $100 and then you have a balance of $1,000 and $30, then you are left with $9,900 and $30. Now here there is something also you need to know on the description. So here in the description they also explain which strategies they use. So for example, we have this trader who says that he uses different strategies. So his strategy, he have given it power surge, and then we have another that he has given it steady growth. So here he has, I see he has also left links to those strategies. So we can see this strategy is steady growth. So in this strategy, steady growth, I can see it here. He's saying that it is a grow slow strategy, but this one, power surge, is a grow fast strategy that he's using. So if you want a grow fast strategy, you just open his link here, and then you invest in that strategy. So you choose your capital that you want to invest there, and then you invest in it. And then you need to know that he has also mentioned that it has a high risk. So you need to know it has a high profit and a high risk. That is what you need to know. So here we have a steady growth, that he's saying that it has a lower profit but also a lower risk. So if you are a low risk taker, you can open that strategy. So let us see this. This is a power strategy that is calling that. Then we have the performance fee, and then we have what the order history. You can just go through it here and see what he is doing. Then on this personal center here, I can see we have a maximum drawdown. This is the maximum loss that this trader made in 3 months. So you can see if he's doing a lot of risk, or if he's not doing that much risk. So you can still see it is the same as I can see there. Now the minimum investment amount is $10, and then this is the amount of dollars that this trader has on the account. So you can still know how many dollars this trader has. And then we'll go back to those strategies so that we can see them, those traders there. So here you need to choose a trader that you see is not going to lose your money just easily, and then a trader who is making profit consistently, because even after small losses he might be able to recover back. And then here we have the return, which you can choose based on the return. And then there is something that I needed to explain here on that performance fee that they are charging 30%. That is depending on the trader that you have chose. So this performance fee is charged after 1 month and paid to the trader. What I mean is that when the trader, let's say that you invest $100 and then the trader makes a profit of $20, then performance fee is $6. So this $6 is the one that is paid to this trader, and then you get the rest. So your total will be $114. So let us take a case of 1 month where you invested $1,000, and then in that 1 month, which is July 26 to July 26. So I am taking July 26 to August 26 because when you see here on the personal center, let us open one trader here. I show something. So you can see here, this is the billing period that is remaining so that this trader gets paid. So you can see it is from July to August 28, a period of 1 month. And then in this information, they say that they will pay on the last Friday of the month. Now, here I want to show you that let's take an example of $1,000, and then your account grows to $1,200. So in this period, you made a profit of $200, and that is within a period of 1 month. And then they deduct a 30%, which is $60. The trader gets that $60, and then your new balance will be $1,140. Now, your new limit is $1,200. This means that when your money does not pass that amount, you will not get charged this 30% performance fee. That is what I mean. And I have an example here. Now, in the next month, let's say that your account drops from 1,200 to 1,100, and then in that case already you made a loss of $100. So here there is no performance fee. So because your account limit was 1,200, so it was not hit past that mark. So in the next month, let's say that you made a profit of $150, and the new balance recovered to $1,250. So here they will only take that $50 that is above the account. Remember that your account has grown past $1,200 that initially was set as the high mark. So after growing with $50, that $50 is the one that is considered. So here it is that 50,000, and then you multiply it by 30%. That is the fee that is paid to the trader. So in that case, you will not have to pay again and again. That reduces the risk of losing more money in form of performance fee. So that is the importance of doing this thing. And then I have the article here. You can access it here. I have left a link here where you can go and read this information. Some of the information I saw it there, and I have left a link there. So you can also view this document. I will leave a link in the description, or you can just pause where you need to read it, so that you can view this information, so it can help you in deciding who you choose to invest your money on and what strategy. So here you can try to view how they are making losses versus how they are making profit. So let us go back and try to view more. So you can see here, these are the most copied. You can now open them here, and then I open this one here. So here we have the performance fee, the account type, the equity, and we have the return here, and then the description, the trader, and where he is from. So this is the basic information that you need to know. And then you can open on the orders, so that you view the orders that he's making. So this is it. And then I want to show you how you can deposit your money, because after creating an account, you will not be able to deposit money before opening another trading account. And that is what I want to show you on the dashboard. So let me go back to my dashboard and show you how you can do it. So here I am on my dashboard, and then on this dashboard you cannot deposit without creating an account. As you can see here, I cannot deposit without creating an account here. Now I can just open here, and then I choose this standard, then continue. Then here I choose a platform MT5, that is good. Then here I'll put the password. Here I'll put the password and then create an account. So this is the account. You can just deposit the money here, and then after depositing I will be able to choose a strategy that I can start copying. So I just go there and then I choose the strategy. So let me go back to where they are. And here we have the number of investors that are copying this person. So I can create here, and then I can deposit or transfer from those accounts. So I can deposit directly or just transfer from one account here. So it's simple. This website is not that hard when operating. So subscribe. I will show you how you can also make passive income with Binance in the next video.